Why are you broke as a trader? I'm going to share one mistake that's keeping you broke as a trader and investor. Now, let me be real with you. Irrespective of the answers that you've provided for why you're broke, you're not broke because you're not smart. You are not broke because you do not have a working strategy when it comes to trading the market. So why are you broke? You're broke because you're still trying to win without taking any real risk. You're broke because you refuse to do the one thing that this market requires. It's fine. You want the reward. You want the lifestyle. You want the withdrawal payout. You want the freedom. You're allergic to the very thing that creates all of that, which is what? Your risk. Everyone wants the fruit. No one wants to be the seed. Fruit only grows from seeds that die first. They are buried in dirt, in darkness, all alone. It's the price of trust that gives birth to seed, to life. You know how you plant a seed in agriculture, and you have so much faith and trust in that seed that is going to bring forth life. It is the price of trust. It's no different in trading. The profit you're chasing, the freedom you fantasize about, the life you want so badly, it's all on the other side of risk. And until you're willing to face it, accept it, you stay stuck. You stay broke. You stay frustrated. You look through courses, mentorship, chats, and blown accounts. But here's the truth. Most people won't tell you. The reward you seek is hidden in the risk you run from. I'll say that again. The reward you seek is hidden in the risk you run from. Now you keep trying to eliminate risk. You want to outsmart the system. You're looking for that perfect entry that never loses. That's not strategy. That's fear. Putting on a suit in disguise. Yeah, I know you want certainty in an uncertain market. You want profits without process. But you see, in trading, it doesn't exist. Every profitable trader you admire, online and physically, they didn't get there by avoiding risk. They got there by accepting risk. So you see, risk is not the enemy. It's just the entry fee. It's the price of admission into the world you say you want. It's the price of admission into the world you desire. It is the price of admission into that freedom that you seek. In trading, your job is not to be another Nostradamus, the man who saw tomorrow. In trading, your job is not to be another guru analyst or the one who predicts the market. Your job is to be a skilled risk manager. Even as you allow your edge and math play out in your favor. That's how we build wealth in this market. So stop trading like a gambler chasing dopamine and start trading like a business owner managing capital. So again, I would ask, why are you broke? As a trader or as an investor? Because once you accept that losses are part of the plan, you stop fearing them. And when you stop fearing the risk, you finally start seeing the reward. You've been asking for a breakthrough, but the breakthrough is buried in the risk you've been avoiding. Think about that for a moment. The breakthrough you desire is buried in the risk you've been avoiding. So no more running, no more hiding, no more pretending to play small if you're tired of being broke as a trader and investor. Because there is no risk, there is no reward. If there is no risk, there is no reward. So you want the reward, right? I would ask again. So you want the reward, right? Now step into that risk and place that trade. That's how you stop being broke. Step into that without being afraid, but take that trade. Now, if this video was valuable to you, it's just one of those pills that you need to reset your mind. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, before I go, it is important I let you know this. Type in the comment section, I accept the risk. Now, listen carefully. The traders who win, they are not the ones who know the most. They're the ones who stopped running and embrace risk. Now, until we see again, stay profitable. This is Trader Casey. Bye for now.